How to set daily reminders on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Skydeck Studio. And reminders is actually a pretty handy feature on an iPhone that actually help you to remind your daily tasks and appointments. It's pretty quick and easy to set up, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to add a new reminder, simply go and open up the Reminders app from your iOS device. I'm going to open up the Reminders app and it'll get us the basic setups right over here. It'll get us the today's schedule, all and complete task. So he'll get to see I have 0 tasks. So now to create a new reminders, you just need to tap on this new reminders at the bottom left right here. And once you tap on this one, it's going to give you the title. So you can give it the title of your task or appointment. So let's say I'm going to type in meeting, for example. And once I've typed in this one, so let's say I'm gonna type in the note meeting with boss, for example. So I'm gonna type in meeting with boss. And once you've added your title and description, he'll get to see the details. You just need to tap on details, and here first you just need to select the date of that specific time. So let's say I'm gonna select the 28th, that means tomorrow. And also you can select the time from here. So I'm gonna enable the time, and let's select the time, let's say 12 and 10 p.m. for example. And once you're done with the date and time, you can actually set the repeat. If you want to repeat these reminders on your iPhone, you can do it daily, weekly, or weekend, whatever you want. So I'm not going to do this one. I'm going to skip back from here. I'm going to keep it default for one time. And also you can select the priority. You can select the high priority if it's really important to you. So I'm going to select the high, and once you're done, you just need to tap on add, and your reminder task will be added to your iPhone. He'll get to see the task is showing 1. So if I tap on this one, this is my reminders. And this is how you can set and add on reminders on your iPhone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.